Absolutely. Tarak bhai, this one last question for you. What do you have to say to all your fans now when I'm sure they must have seen the trailer? Ab kya bolna hai? Ek aakhri cheez.
I always want to thank them for all the love and all the support they've given me over the years of being an actor. And I don't know. I mean, there's a lot. There's a lot I need to thank them for. But I would just this humble thanks. Thank you for being there with me.
Saif sir, closing remarks, I would say. What do you have to say to all the fans out there who were like eagerly waiting for the trailer and now it's out?
I think it's an amazing trailer. The background music, the visuals. I have to say, Randy sir, our DOP, has shot this film outstandingly. The cast has been fab. Of course, Tarak Sashivas's vision. I think it's really exciting. And like Karan said, like a big movie coming out that you should watch in the theaters with all these beautiful colors and this amazing sound. I'm very excited.
As Saif sir just talked about the BGM and the dialogue, so that is something that was, out there. The dialogues and the BGM complementing each other. Talk to us about that quickly, sir, please.
Right from the beginning, we thought of Anirudh as a music director because, he's the master of sound and he knows how to blend the music into the story well. And happy that he gave this output.
Yeah. And it's going like with the dialogues. Tarak sir, one last thing. Talk to us about Shiva sir. Is he like always this like...
Have you seen him answer your questions? It's always...
That's what I'm saying.
It's like that long.
I was afraid he...
So Shiva is a master in especially when in dialogues. If your dialogue needs to be so much for you to like, let's say a kilometer, for you to like express your angst or whatever it is, to express something. Shiva's dialogues are just 200 meters.
Right.
They're just 200 meters. So, and I don't know how he does it. He's extremely talented. I mean, I told you, I've been his friend for a very long time. We've been friends for a very long time. He just delivers the same expression in 200 meters. So it's like very few words, but the expression is so deep.
Precise and to the point, right? To the point. 27th September is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters. Let's just come to that point. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for a final photo op, and I'd like to invite on stage some really cool people. Ji, मैं कर लूं पहले? आते हैं ना? Would like to invite on stage our very favorite people. Of course, as I said, बड़े इन लोगों ने बड़ा काम किया है for the Indian film industry. Apurva Mehta Saab, the CEO Dharma, say give it up for him. And of course, he's presented it, he's distributed it. AA Films say Anil Thadani Saab, ladies and gentlemen. Anil sir, I know, you always say no for this. And I always say that I have a question for you. Anil. एक सेकंड आ रहा हूँ. Can we check the mics? All right. Anil sir, sir, quickly, if you have to, as I said, the trio has worked wonders for the Indian film industry. Bahubali se ab tak, and of course AA Films has been there. वो logo आता है बहुत मायने रखती है बात. So please talk to us about Devara Part 1 and being a part of this collaboration one more time.
Just like to thank Tarak for showing and Shiva sir for showing so much confidence in Karan, Apurva and me. We've come back again to present this film after Bahubali and hope it just repeats the same kind of magic.
We are sure, sir. We sure. Apurva sir, what would you like to share with us, please? Again, I'll have.
So, we've always been huge fans of Tarak's work, be it in RRR or Temper or Janta Garage. So really, thank you for giving us this opportunity. We were, like he rightly said, blown away when we saw the visuals, and I think everyone can understand what we are feeling once you see the trailer. So thank you for trusting us, Tarak and Shiva sir, with your film, and we are so excited. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Karan sir, one more time, thank you so much for getting this to this part of the country. And of course, the movie releases on the 27th September, ladies and gentlemen, worldwide. And in the meantime, of course, yeah, it's time to go click, click, click. It's time for a final photo op. Ji.